Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another razor review. Did you see last week's video? Last week was the first of a two-parter using the Durham Duplex. That one was the safety razor style. Today is going to be the straight razor style. Now, what I used in this, and I've now put in this, is a blade that fits from Personna, but I've since learned that they're a carpet blade. I don't know if that's just what they call them or if that's what they're intended for. Now, as far as I know, a buddy of mine is sending me a few new old stock of the Durham Duplex blades. And I'll be interested to compare them. Because as you might remember, I found these very tuggy. I did not like using them at all. Now, these are the original blades that came with them. One of them says made in Canada, and it says Durham Duplex Company Limited, Toronto. The other one is from New York, and it's got a patent date of May of 1907. So, I am not going to use these, but I have cleaned them up a little bit just so I could see them better, but they are very stiff. So, we're going to multi-speed through this, but software today, we are going with Frost Chapel from PAA. Why? Because this is from day 11 of their 2025 Advent calendar, and they just came out with a full-size set of this. So check out my video of that I did before. To give this a better chance, we're going with the Ice Cube Phillips Sharp leather bowl. And we have our PAA Moon Striker synthetic. I absolutely love this razor. Now, before we get into the shave, let's just do a very quick. As you can see, it's only single side, but you do have the upper and lower part of the blade. Now, by comparison with my AL 8/8s, gigantic blade, you only have the one edge right here, but you can use both sides, which obviously you can't with a Durham. The Durham, you have the edge right here, which of course you don't with a standard shavette or straight razor. Love this blade. I have not used it in a very long time. I need to make a video using it. So, get into the shave, probably 8 times speed, get to the commentary, tell you guys what you want to know. So let's get into it. So, not bad for a first pass. A lot smoother than this one. Now, for a straight razor, and it's been a long time since I've used a straight, but I have used shavettes quite often. This is awkward where your edge, it's not reversible. So, it's a little bit awkward. Now, I am a lefty. I am ambidextrous with straight razors, but it's a little bit awkward. The teeth seem to be gentler and perhaps even a little bit smaller than this Durham. So overall, still a lot of growth there, but I like this one so far. As far as the smoothness of the shave, a lot better than this. Much smoother. But again, it's very awkward where it's not. So you can't. Yeah. So get a second pass done and a third pass, and we'll see how we do. So, we are back. Got her cleaned out. Let's take the alum to it. Something I forgot to do last week. This will give me a little bit of feedback as to how the shave went. Absolutely zero burn. And actually, quite a close shave. Alcohol splash, something else I forgot to do last week. And again, maybe just a tiny spot of burn right there. Maybe that's it. Great scent, by the way. Love this. So, what do I think? I'll be honest. After last week's use of this one, I was prepared not to like this at all. A lot smoother. The teeth, I don't know if you can see real well, but the teeth are substantially smaller on this razor than they are on this one. This one physically hurt to use. This one, much to my surprise, and again, I was prepared not to like this. A lot gentler, a lot smoother. Now, if I was clean shaven and not worried about my ankles or trying to get around my goatee, it might be easier to use. But again, where you only can use one side of it, it is a little bit awkward if you're trying to shape around a goatee. But overall, I'm actually really surprised. I actually kind of like it. Yeah, I was blown away. Now, I'm really curious. When my buddy sends me authentic Durham Duplex blades, I will try both these razors again. I'll probably make a quick combo video for that one, and we'll just do a comparison. But I stand corrected. And even with those carpet cutter blades, the Personna, like I said, you can find them online. I should give a really decent shave. Not BBS, but DFS for sure. So, anyway, hope you've enjoyed this one. It's actually been really fun to do. So, we'll see you guys again next week. You guys take care. Bye-bye.